Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to connect Squarespace domain to Shopify. Now the process is very easy and simple. You should first go and open your Shopify store, go to your dashboard, then go to the settings on the bottom left side, then go and choose domains, then go and simply click on connect existing domain. Then here you should go to Squarespace, go to domains on the top side, then here you should copy the domain that you want. I will copy this one, streaming made every easy, because it's active. Then you should type here www dot, then paste the domain that you have copied, then click on next. It will show you here this page. Just click on verify connection, and now it will show you here this page. Now you should go back to Squarespace, and I'll copy these values right here, and I'll show you exactly how to copy them. So first go to Squarespace, then go to domains, then go to DNS. Then once you are in DNS, go to DNS settings, then click on add record right here. Once you click on add record, it will show here these options. First, you should type here in the host www, and type here choose CNAME like this. Then copy shops.myshopify.com and paste it just right here. Then click on save. Once it is saved, it will show you here this message on the bottom middle corner. And now you should click on add record again, but here choose the type A and the host at, and copy this number right here, which is here in my case is this number after the at, and it is the same number just right here in Shopify dashboard. It is the same one just right here. Then type save, and once it is saved, it will show here a custom record was saved. Then now we should go back to your Shopify, then click on verify connection. Then here you can find your domain connected. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.